I've just recently had blepharoplasty. The reason I had it done was because I had very hooded lids, especially on the right hand side, which in a strange sort of way was causing psychological problems, in that it made me feel terribly old, it made me feel very, very tired, and people at work were starting to say, "Oh, you're looking tired all the time." And the job that I do is a very, very demanding job, and when I'm with a lot of people and speaking to a lot of people, I'm very, very conscious, or was very conscious of the hoodedness of my eyes. Since I've had it done, I can honestly say that I feel 100% better. People have noticed that I look a lot fresher. I never look tired in the morning like I used to, and I can go a whole day and whole evening, go out in the evening, and I still look fresh, because I think the eyes are quite a focus for the face anyway. And people have noticed a difference, but they can't actually pinpoint what that difference is. They just say that I look a lot fresher, younger as well, which is nice, and it's given me quite a lot of confidence. Even though I'm a fairly confident person, it's enhanced that confidence when I'm dealing with a lot of people. The treatment itself, on the day of the treatment, was absolutely perfect. I came in, I was treated extremely well by all the staff, and they're all very, very attentive. Dr. De Silva explained the whole procedure to me, and then I was prepped for the procedure and then taken into the room. Everything was explained to me again, and I had mild sedation for the treatment, and I can honestly say that from start to finish I didn't feel one single thing. I felt very relaxed, very confident, and I had a lot of faith in Dr. De Silva. I really did. I obviously researched blepharoplasty before, and he'd been recommended by some professional colleagues that I know as well, and I can honestly say that it was the best thing I've ever done. I had the treatment. After the treatment, was allowed to go home, accompanied by somebody. There was no pain. Even the next day, no pain, just very, very slight swelling, and I followed the aftercare procedure to the letter, and the scarring is hidden, it's minimal, the recovery time was very, very quick. I was out and about on the second day, even though my eyes were very slightly puffy. Nobody actually noticed that I'd had anything done. Within a week I had the stitches out, and the following week I went back to work, and people noticed a big difference, but they couldn't actually pinpoint what that difference was. So you can leave it to yourself as to what you tell people. You can tell everybody what you've had done, or you can do as I did at the time and said that I had a minor procedure on my eyes for eye lenses rather than blepharoplasty, and they accepted that readily. And my eyes continue to improve. My eyesight has actually improved slightly, because I think the pressure from the hooded lids actually pressed down on the eyes. So I can honestly say that vision-wise it's improved, and as I say again, I feel more confident. I think I look better, and I would highly recommend Dr. De Silva to anybody that's considering having a blepharoplasty. I've already spoken to my friends and family, and quite a few of them are quite keen to make an appointment to come and see him, so I would highly recommend him. And I'm considering having another procedure, and I have 100% confidence in Dr. De Silva.